I have many times a question: what are the most important questions or problems or ideas or concepts in psychology? Like, because people hear every day about motivation, about self-development, about self-growth, about overcoming, about mindfulness, about so a lot of words, and people, I mean not professional psychologists or coaches, they can identify this word, what category or what is the most important. We hear a lot of words, but what is really behind it we don't understand. So if I will now just say psychotechnologies, what psychotechnologies? About what the psychotechnologies? And plus, everyone may have absolutely his own vision, and it's normal, or it's the vision of someone, and the conflict always happens between different visions. So now, if I will talk with someone about psychotechnologies, he will tell me, no, psychotechnologies, it's 1, 2, 3. And I will tell him, and how about this? So we need definition. And definition, when I give the definition of psychotechnologies, someone can say, I will add something else, or no, my definition, it's everything, absolutely everything. What has the influence on your thoughts, on your emotions, and on your actions? Absolutely everything. You can call psychotechnologies. Why? Because what we really have we have only our actions and what we feel and what we think. Tell me what else we have. Yes, we have one more thing. It's our time, lifetime. So the whole story is how we will use this lifetime, right? What we will do, how we will think, and what we will feel. If I'm wrong, tell me what else except this we can have. You understand me? So the project Mind Hacking itself, it's about how to be the general manager of your life, according to how to act better. And when we act better, we can feel better, or how to think better. And everything starts from this point. What we are thinking about. What really we have as our thoughts, concepts, beliefs. You understand? So this project, it was the idea to create the project explaining simply that the life around us always seen by how we think, what concepts, what ideas we have. And also how to, not just to control yourself, how to understand the signals we receive every second, right? So the idea of profiling, it's how to understand by people behavior, people actions, what is this psychotype. Psychotype, it's what a type of nervous system, what behavior, life style, way of thinking this person may have. The idea of neuro-linguistic programming, NLP, it's the idea how our words affect on our thoughts and emotions, and sure after that actions. And the psychology itself, the shortcut I call it for simply, I call psychology is like instruction to use our device, because this is the computer. All our computers, what we have now, all devices, all these things, they are created when and how, from what idea. If you study the idea, how it was created, you will understand, and you will, I just don't remember the names, but they use as a model the human brain, because it has the same. It has operating memory, it has processor, the speed, it has data, it has viruses, it has absolutely all. I mean, I'm not a big specialist, by the way. I'm very bad in all these technologies, but we have to know how our brain works. This is important. We have to know how our feelings, emotions, thoughts, motivation, resistance, how it's all. So we need instruction, and we don't have it in schools. We don't have it in even universities. Only if you choose it as professional, your field, you become psychologist or psychotherapist. Then you start, or neurobiologist, or who studies the brain, okay? But to study the brain, it's also not something one. It's a lot of things. My passion and my interest all my life was about always why we feel it, why we act like this, why. I had always these questions, why. So my passion was to find the answers, and now I have many answers which I would like to share. So mind hacking, it's about our brain, how it works, about all important things in our life, like thoughts, actions, emotions, and way of thinking. It's about how to manage yourself, how to regulate yourself, how to control, how to understand others better, and at the end to feel that you are happier and stronger, because I don't see that there are any other goals for us as humans except to feel that we are growing and become stronger and become better and become more powerful. So this is what this project is about. Did I answer the question?